Federal Reserve holds interest rates steady, forecasts 2 more rate hikes in 2023. Segment 1. Understanding the Federal Reserve. 1. Provide a brief overview of the Federal Reserve and its role in controlling interest rates. 2. Explain the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, and its responsibility for setting monetary policy. Segment 2. Current interest rate decision. 1. Discuss the recent decision of the Federal Reserve to keep interest rates steady. 2. Explain the factors and economic indicators considered by the Fed in making this decision. Segment 3. Economic outlook. 1. Provide an overview of the current economic conditions and factors influencing the Federal Reserve's forecast. 2. Discuss key indicators such as inflation, GDP growth, employment, and consumer spending. Segment 4. Rationale for rate hikes. 1. Explain the Federal Reserve's rationale for forecasting 2 more rate hikes in 2023. 2. Discuss the factors driving the need for tightening monetary policy, such as inflationary pressures and economic growth. Segment 5. Impact on borrowers and lenders. 1. Discuss how the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions affect borrowers and lenders. 2. Explain how higher interest rates can impact mortgage rates, credit card rates, and loans. Segment 6. Implications for investors. 1. Explore the implications of the Federal Reserve's decision on different asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and commodities. 2. Discuss strategies investors can consider in light of potential rate hikes. Segment 7. Risks and considerations. 1. Highlight potential risks and challenges associated with the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions. 2. Discuss the importance of diversification and risk management in navigating market volatility. Segment 8. Market reactions and investor sentiment. 1. Discuss the initial market reactions to the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates. 2. Explore how investor sentiment and market dynamics may be influenced by the forecasted rate hikes. Segment 9. Impact on business and corporate sector. 1. Analyze the potential impact of higher interest rates on businesses and the corporate sector. 2. Discuss how borrowing costs and investment decisions may be influenced by the Federal Reserve's actions. Segment 10. International implications. 1. Explore the potential international implications of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions. 2. Discuss how global markets and economies may be affected by the forecasted rate hikes. Segment 11. Central bank communication. 1. Explain the importance of clear communication from central banks, including the Federal Reserve. 2. Discuss how the Federal Reserve's messaging can impact market expectations and investor behavior. Segment 12. Alternative investments and asset allocation. 1. Explore alternative investment options that investors may consider in a rising interest rate environment. 2. Discuss the importance of reviewing and adjusting asset allocation strategies to adapt to changing market conditions. Segment 13. Impact on real estate market. 1. Discuss the potential impact of higher interest rates on the real estate market. 2. Analyze how mortgage rates and housing affordability may be affected by the Federal Reserve's decisions. Segment 14. Long-term investment perspective. 1. Encourage viewers to maintain a long-term investment perspective despite short-term market fluctuations. 2. Discuss the importance of focusing on fundamental investment principles and long-term financial goals. Segment 15. Considerations for borrowers and savers. 1. Provide insights for borrowers on managing debt in a rising interest rate environment. 2. Discuss strategies for savers to maximize returns on their savings in light of potential rate hikes. Segment 16. Regulatory environment and policy changes. 1. Discuss the potential regulatory environment and policy changes that may accompany the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions. 2. Analyze how regulatory shifts can impact different sectors and industries. Segment 17. Expert opinions and analyst perspectives. 1. Present various expert opinions and analyst perspectives on the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions. 2. Discuss different viewpoints and interpretations to provide a well-rounded analysis for viewers. Segment 18. Historical analysis of rate hike cycles. 1. Provide a historical analysis of past rate hike cycles by the Federal Reserve. 2. Discuss how the stock market and the economy have responded to previous rate hikes and their implications for the current situation. Segment 19. Inflation concerns and the Federal Reserve's response. 1. Explore the Federal Reserve's perspective on inflation and their reasoning behind the forecasted rate hikes. 2. Discuss how inflationary pressures can influence interest rate decisions and their impact on the economy. Segment 20. Impact on bond market and fixed income investments. 1. Analyze the potential impact of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions on the bond market. 2. Discuss how rising rates affect bond prices, yields, and the attractiveness of fixed income investments. Segment 21. Sector analysis and opportunities. 1. Examine different sectors and industries that may benefit or face challenges in a rising interest rate environment. 2. Discuss potential investment opportunities and areas to exercise caution based on the Federal Reserve's rate hike forecast. Segment 22. Global economic outlook and interconnectedness. 1. Discuss the interconnectedness of global economies and how the Federal Reserve's actions can impact international markets. 2. Explore the potential effects on currencies, trade flows, and emerging markets. Segment 23. Investor strategies for navigating rate hikes. 1. Provide practical tips and strategies for investors to navigate the anticipated rate hikes. 2. Discuss diversification, asset allocation, and other considerations to manage risk and capitalize on potential opportunities. Segment 24. Implications for personal finance and debt management. 1. Offer insights on how individuals can manage their personal finances and debt in a rising interest rate environment. 2. Discuss strategies for optimizing debt payments and evaluating interest rates on loans and credit cards. Segment 25. Long-term economic outlook and beyond 2023. 1. Explore the long-term economic outlook beyond 2023 and how the Federal Reserve's decisions fit into the broader economic landscape. 2. Discuss potential challenges, trends, and opportunities investors should consider for their long-term investment plans. Segment 26. Importance of staying informed and adapting. 1. Emphasize the importance of staying informed about the Federal Reserve's actions and economic developments. 2. Encourage viewers to regularly review and adapt their investment strategies based on new information and changing market conditions. 3. Thanks viewers for watching and encouraging them to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content on finance and the stock market.